Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Trying to Punch a Cop Goes Horribly Wrong by Police Insider. You got to be a degenerate to get carried out like that.
Man, what are you talking to me real quick?
Yeah, you and you, bitch. So what's up? Where do I have to go? I don't give a about security. You're a bitch. So you're too. You're physically a you're mentally a because the way you carry your life. You're not about the life. You're not about shooting people. You're not about nothing that has to do with.
Well, I know one thing. Your ass going to jail.
A man like me, go homie.
I'm having.
What's up? I'm trying to get
Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back.
Right, hold on, there. I'm gonna call you back.
Face that wall.
I'm not facing. Call the fucking.
Charles Horse step up. We got one at taser. Put your phone down.
My phone is up because I'm trying to protect myself from you guys.
Put your phone down.
Why you ain't record what you just said though when they first walked up?
I'm trying to get to my. Go ahead.
Face that wall.
Hit me. Hit me. Hit me with.
Face the
I'm
wall.
trying to go to.
Face the wall. Face the wall.
Bro, drop your backpack, bro.
You should drop this.
Just drop your backpack, man.
I'm not dropping my phone.
That's fine. Keep your phone. Just drop your backpack.
They gonna make you drop it.
Okay. Hey,
Leave me alone. I'm on the phone right now. I gotta
hey, what's your name, boss? Stefan?
That's hard. Can I give you my ID?
Yeah, that's fine. Just listen.
Oh, now you want to talk nice when it's two of them.
Just
I mean,
listen.
three
I
of
want
them.
to talk to them, all right?
This guy.
1591, top 4. I'm not putting handcuffs on.
There's no bathroom that way.
So,
Hey, I'm Officer Lambert.
lawyer, my lawyer, he's cool. No.
You're not under arrest at this moment.
Hold on. Let me record.
I hate when they say that shit. Yes, I am. I know I'm going under arrest.
Record.
I'm going to report for them.
Okay.
Okay, they need your other arm. Okay. Your phone's still going.
You can take that out. Look,
Hurry up, you bitch.
I heard you.
Ooh.
Okay, hey.
Hurry up, man.
You say your
Hello.
name, Stefan? Let me get your name, boss.
All right, hang up. Samson Harders.
Samson?
If you guys give me a chance, I can
said
show you
hang up?
all my information. Would you mind answering that?
And then accept
Right. Answer.
this one.
Thank you, sir.
right.
Appreciate that.
They let you answer the goddamn phone while you getting arrested? What the hell?
Bitch, you're cool because you're working with me.
Hey,
You slept. Stop grabbing me. I'm under control. Sir.
where's your ID at, boss? Is it in this pocket?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna grab it for you.
Stop grabbing me. You fat punk.
Hey,
You
listen,
fat.
let's
Leave
do
me
it.
alone.
We gotta hold on to you.
Yes, sir.
We don't want you to fall down.
No,
nothing
you're
like
fine.
that. Okay.
You're fine. As long
All
as
right.
you deal with me, I'm good.
All right.
If he deals
You
with
said
me,
this
I'm
pocket?
gonna talk shit. If you deal with me, Lambert, I'm gonna give you everything you want.
All right.
Pause. What do you
Deal with
mean?
me, I'm gonna act like a hello.
You won't on this phone.
Oh yeah, he got black forces on. He ain't got nothing to lose.
Yeah, these bitches got me handcuffed. I'm about to spin this bitch.
All right.
Look the laws up so I can spin this cup. Yeah, get the away from me, you punk.
Hey, you got a mess in your
You
phone?
spit on me.
I don't
You'll
give a
get extra.
about getting in trouble out here.
Where's the ID at?
This one? Yes, sir. Stupid. That's why you don't get dick down around you, hoe. You got a fat white boy not even giving you right. Faggot. And Lambert get it too after I get done with him giving me my legal issue. Bro, I have everything legal. What do you want? Take me to jail. I don't give a homie.
What the hell? Is that a picture of him with his shirt off? Or because if that's another man, that is very sus.
That's what's up, homie. Take me to jail. Stop wasting your time. I know you're trying to be professional and you're not even like trying to trip on me, bro. But I really don't give a homie. Just send me to jail so I can go.
We're gonna try to explain everything what's going on right now. If you don't want me to explain to you, boss.
I don't care. Take me to jail, homie.
Oh yeah.
I don't care. It don't matter. I'm not doing anything wrong, homie. It don't matter.
You are, bro. You're being a complete imbecile right now.
Let's go. Come on. All right, explain to me, homie. Go about my way, my dude. Like, come on, bro. I'm not trying to like. You're working with me. You're being. Let's go. I'm doing. You know what, bro? Look.
We gotta hang on to you, boss. I don't want you to fall in that.
Lambert.
Okay?
Lambert.
It's a liability issue for us. All right?
Lambert.
What's up, Samson?
What do you want?
We gotta walk out here, bro.
What do you want me to do, man?
You gotta walk. Okay, so as of right now, you are gonna go to jail.
For what?
Public intoxication. That's what they've decided, okay?
What is the public intoxication?
You've had a little
What you doing right now? Talking shit for no reason?
bit too much, whether it's alcohol or controlled substance in your body.
Can you open this press the ear pocket?
Press it
Yes, sir.
like that.
I wouldn't have been doing shit for him. Not after you disrespected my colleague, but fuck you.
Not actually, sir.
I'll tell you what, man. It ain't nothing personal.
Thank you, sir.
You got the other one?
Yes. No, can I have it?
Not right now, okay?
You, bro. God damn, bro. Bro, okay. Well, tell me all because I'd rather give you guys a fight than just give it to you guys. So
What?
I haven't done anything. I'm trying to go home. My mom is dying right now.
I'm sorry to hear that, boss.
Well, that's not a good way to hurry up and go see her.
We don't gotta escalate to that point, okay? You trying to? You said you were trying to fly out to.
Put him in this part right here.
Trying to go to
53.
LA?
Look, you're trying to play me, bro. Can you work with me?
That's what I'm trying to do.
If I give you what you want,
What is that, bro?
whatever you tell me to do, if I give you that, can I be left alone?
We got.
Hell nah, boy. Once you get in them cuffs, you going to jail.
Tell me that's not an option, so I can just go about my business.
It's not an option. You
Okay,
gotta go
because
to
you're
jail.
the only one that's been cool with me, bro.
Okay, and I'm trying to work with you, bro. So I don't need this to escalate. Okay?
So I want you to know, like, I'm real about me.
yeah, and I'm being
And when you're
upfront.
real, when you're like this, I want to show you what you get. But can I talk to my people before I go to jail, bro?
Unfortunately, not right now. Once we
He
get
got too many requests, little Boosie Jr.
to the jail, bro, you can make all the calls that you need to.
You know, I'd rather you guys fuck me up.
Samson, come on, man. We
Beat
don't
me
gotta go
up,
that
bro.
way.
You're cool, bro.
We don't
Lambert,
need to go that way.
Lambert, you're not
gotta go
part of
too
this. I'd rather these fools me up.
Samson, come on.
Lambert, I'm not. I want to get right now. It's not fair, bro. I'm going home. My dad just died in July. You guys.
Oh shit. We got somebody grieving, want to get beat up by the police. Oh lord.
Anything illegal on me? I have nothing. You know what? Bro, up. I'd rather Lambert. What's up? Mosley.
Samson, we don't gotta do that, bro.
I'm gonna sue you guys. You think I'm just some regular guy? I'm gonna show you.
Bro, we don't
I'm
gotta
not trying
fight.
to
We don't gotta
spit
do
you
nothing,
nothing.
bro.
No.
Hey, look at me,
Look,
Samson.
I'm about to get because I'm not dealing
We
with
don't
this.
need to do that, bro.
I'm not breaking any laws. I'm about to make a case over this shit,
You just had a little bit too much to drink at this point.
bro.
Okay, that's how,
Prove
I
it.
understand
You're
the
on, I'm on
circumstances behind
camera.
it.
Lambert,
every
you're
one of
cool
us
as fuck.
recorded.
You're on camera. Lambert, you're cool as fuck. I have no problem with you, bro. But I'm not doing anything wrong, bro. Like,
You've
fuck
had a
that.
little bit too much to drink. All you gotta do is sleep it
Why?
off. You'll be right back on the terminal. making
Nah,
that
that.
That's
I'm
where
not
we're
giving
at
you
right
guys that. You guys, not
where
even you,
we're at.
Lambert, not even you guys. Because you guys are being cool, but just like,
You
fuck.
walk with us, man?
No, I'd rather you guys fight me.
Come on, man.
I'm
We're
gonna
not.
sit
We
Why? Why do you want violence? They are not trying to fight you, bro.
don't need to fight, bro.
Pick me up. Pick me up on my leg, homie.
We'll pick you up if we got to.
There you go. That's a homie. Nah, that, homie.
Samson, come on, bro.
Nah, man, y'all guys are bums compared to me, homie. Y'all got homies that make millions. You guys are bums.
What the fuck is wrong with him?
Come on, homie, beat me up. That shit, homie. Y'all are weak, homie. Y'all are weak, homie.
All right.
Fuck that, homie. Beat me up, homie. That. I don't give a
They need to hog tie his ass.
shit in my face, dude. That's why you guys are bums out here doing this. I fucking live a life you guys can never imagine. You guys are bums.
Yeah, that was me.
Samson.
Uh
I want to be able to sue you guys.
Going. I'm trying to get on this side.
What's up, homie? Yeah, honey. You guys are bro. Hurry the up.
oh. He ain't really tried because I done seen a lot of people try way harder than this.
I don't have I'm on the TSA checking. What are you talking about?
Bro, you got boarding passes.
God, what? Nothing illegal, you. Come on, bro. You're not even a racist like that. You're not even really racist. I mean, you know better.
Okay.
Just let's just move on until you try to put me in here, and I'm not going for it.
Ready?
So you go ahead and muscle me, and then I'm gonna just move
We don't
forward
want to
with
go
that.
that route, bro. Because
I mean, you guys are gonna win, but it doesn't. I'm gonna do what I do.
Did you realize that's going to turn into resisting arrest and detention charge?
I don't.
Exactly.
care, 'cause I'm gonna make a nice case for it, and I know I'm not doing nothing wrong, and I know each one of you guys are being recording me right now, so it doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
Everything that I'm saying, I'm not getting in there because I didn't do anything wrong. And if you want to muscle me and press me and beat me up and put me in there, go ahead and start doing it.
But we're going to have to pick you up if you don't want to go in there.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
He's already trying to this way.
Nope. Go head that way. Head
Bro,
this
come
way.
on, all right.
Come across.
This guy right here.
Talk to me. No, I'll give you what you want.
Watch your, don't kick, bro.
I'm not gonna kick you, man. No respect, man. I know you're doing your job. I don't think you're trying to like personally do nothing to me.
Hey, man.
Yo, we. Y'all gotta do your press board. Hey, Laurent.
But some people just be off the meds sometimes.
You're a homie. You're a homie.
We're gonna go that way? Push his
here.
legs that way if you can. There you go.
Me up in here. You're a bitch homie. Look at you. You can't even do a push-up. You're a fat.
I'm seeing him. I was like, "Sir, you need to put a mask on." So, and then he went off. Yeah, and I mean, I'm gonna everybody up. Like anybody in your family, I'm gonna him up. I'm gonna spit on you if I can.
Very nasty
All
attitude.
types of stuff. Like every name in the book you could think, he did that. There was passengers who like tried to intervene because he was like in my face. Yeah.
Hey Siri. Call Andrea. No, Mom, I'm arrested. You're a bitch, bro. You're a bitch, homie. White people, bro. You're a bitch, bro. I know you're doing your job, but you're a bitch, homie. I ain't do nothing, homie.
Bro wanted to go to prison. He must got a boyfriend in now.
I ain't do a damn thing to be in this position, homie. Faggot ass white. You're a bitch, homie. You're a bitch. Ass bitch. I'd rather be in jail than be a pathetic bitch. You driving this motherfucking cop car, you bitch. You hear me? You.
Okay, so he do like jail. Some people love jail. Hey, more power to you.
Homie, that's why you're a bitch by a nigga like me every day. You're a bitch wants a nigga with a fat dick like me every day, homie. I promise. And while you're out here Uber for the police and you're out here doing the you do, you're a bitch fat black like me. Just remember that, homie. You drive me, homie.
I would have been like, bro, you gay as bro. Cause why you talking about this with me?
You're a homie. You're a homie. I'd rather be in the position I am than be in the position you're in, homie. You're a pussy. You have no respect for yourself as a man, homie. You're a hoe, homie.
Does this guy ever shut up?
You listen to the law because you're you're scared, homie. I do what I want to do because I'm a man. You're a homie. You're a white person. You're a ass racist person that don't like black people because you feel like you feel because all that your ancestors done told you the bullshit they done told you about black people. You're a ass person. The only reason you're being quiet is because you're recorded right now. White people, I mean, I feel like the way you feel. Any person
I can't take this shit no more. I don't want to listen to him talk anymore. Is that the video? Let's see.
I do be seeing, excuse my language, I do be seeing niggas do shit to get their ass shot.
Bro don't even look
We're
like
not
a...
gonna go that route, bro.
The male was charged with public intoxication and resisting law enforcement. YouTube thinks you will love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps my channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out.